morning, everyone. We're heading to the protest on July 4th, 2025 to protest injustice. Not America, injustice.
And who's all participating? Who's organizing?
Refuse Fascism is taking the lead on the protest that I'm going to. I'm helping them coordinate it. There's going to be community leaders from all walks of life. There's going to be people that are reverends. There's going to be people that are in the military. There's going to be people that are in education. There's going to be religious leaders. So it's going to be basically a culmination of different people with different backgrounds who, I'll tell you right now, their biggest thing that they have that puts them together is that they're American and they love this country. And they're coming together to protest the freedoms that are being taken away from everyone, not just immigrants. This is not an immigrant issue. This is a constitutional issue. The America we're supposed to be celebrating today is actively being changed.
So, based on the activities today, what are your goals as an immigration attorney, as a U.S. citizen, and as a Latino in the United States?
The goals today are to bring awareness. It's not something that people regularly do, right? It's go protest. And definitely not on a holiday when we work so hard and we want to be with our families and we want to do things that are recreational, things that, embody what it means to celebrate the United States on the 4th of July. But it's on a day that it's so important to do this because the 4th of July symbolizes freedom. It symbolizes us doing something to celebrate the United States. But when they're having laws being passed that are actively trying to change what due process is, the fact that we can drive and not be pulled over for any reason.
Driving while brown,
as many would call it. It's something that I think, we need to put out there, call it what it is, because it's fascism. It's fascism and it's a dirty word. When I first heard it, I was like, what is fascism? And I looked it up. It's when you believe in a dictatorship, when you believe that one man should rule the country. And that's not what we believe in as Americans. And that's what the protest is about. The United States of America will declare its independence again, I say, on July 4th, 2025. So we're coming to the protest and we're looking for parking. Number one, it was really hard to find parking. We finally ended up parking over by the cathedral. Number two, as I parked and I walked away, I looked over to my friend Walter and I say, should I take my ID? And I think that it's wild that for me to walk down the street, I'm wondering if I need to take my credentials with me to walk. And I'm not required to, but that's the way I feel. And that blows my mind. And it should infuriate everybody that that's the way we all feel. So this is why we're here today, everyone. We're here because people are missing and people are dying. And this is to put basis to those images or those question marks of who's being affected. This could be your uncle, your aunt, your sister, your father. We have to do this for them. We have to do this for the people that are still here. We cannot allow their deaths to be in vain. Do it because it's the American thing to do.
Oh, say, can you see by the blood in the streets that This place doesn't smile on you, colored child, whose blood built this land with sweat and bare hands. But you'll die in this place, and your memory erased. Oh, say, does this truth hold any weight? This is not the land of the free, but the home of the slave.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alfonso Morales. I've been an immigration attorney for 20 years. I've been a school board member for 20 years. And let me tell you why I'm here. This is the most American thing we can do. On July 4th, 2025, we declare our independence again. Let me tell you why. They want to change the Constitution. They want to change the laws. They want to change the America we know, the America that was established July 4th, 1776. They want to change that, and we're not going to let them. Because the American dream is alive, and the power is within the people. Because we, the people, declare that our values and our constitutions will continue. Do not let them change it. If we do not show up, they will change it. Congress, you will lose your job. Supreme Court, you will lose your job. We cannot allow them to take our freedoms, because today it's immigrants, tomorrow it's you. Stand together. The government of Trump, the fascist regime, must go. The examination to become a United States citizen says no man is above the law.
Okay, the Dred Scott decision made it clear that anyone born in the United States is a United States citizen. They want to pick and choose who's a United States citizen. That's why we're going back to before the days of the Civil War. We cannot allow that to happen. We must fight for our children, our grandchildren, and ourselves. They want to start the process of denaturalization. If you're a citizen now, it does not mean you will be a citizen tomorrow. We must unite. We must fight the fascist regime. Donald Trump must go! Hold on.
Hello, everyone. Alfonso Morales, your immigration attorney. So today is July 4th, 2025. Just got back from the march in downtown LA at the City Hall steps. Let me tell you, the purpose of today was not to be anti-American, but to be American, to talk about and express what we are feeling as a community, as we feel that the America we know, the America that is celebrated on July 4th, is not the America that we currently have, nor where this country is going. The most American thing you could do today, in my opinion, was to show up and speak on behalf of your community and the Constitution of the United States, what we all want to defend and protect. And that's what I feel we accomplished today. Things aren't going to change overnight, but we need to inform our community and we need to be there for our community. Thank you, everyone.